Maybe I'll do one more song, also having to do with, as mentioned, that we had not only like we had there's the obligation or to remember leaving Egypt every day of the year, particularly when we're reading it in the Torah portion, leaving Egypt, and so that's just to remember it, like as something of the past. But then the uniqueness of the Passover Seder is that we say not only are you supposed to remember, but you're supposed to lirot et atzmo. You're supposed to view yourself as if you went out of Egypt. And some versions is this as if you left Egypt today, that day of Passover. So it's not just a memory of the past, but it's a re-experiencing, seeing oneself, or also to show and act and behave in a way like we are leaving that very day from Egypt. That's why so many rituals and parts of the Passover Seder is reenacting the Exodus. So I made a song, it was channeled through me, let's say, having to do with those words, v'chol davar dar, in every generation, chayav adam, a person's obligated, lirot atzmo, to view himself, ki'ilu hu yatsa hayom Mitzrayim, as if he left that day from Egypt. Okay, so this niggin came to me also a few years ago. And it's a longer song, and it's also because it's about like we're to feel and really feel it all through and through, as if we left Egypt, that we did leave Egypt and leaving Egypt now. That so therefore the song is a little bit longer to like get it to soak through us. Okay, it's this first line. B'chol davar chayv adam lirot et atzmo ki'ilu hu yatsa miMitzrayim. B'chol dar v'dar chayav adam lirois lirois es atzmai כאילו הוא יצא ממצרים בכל דווי ודווי חייב אדם לירייס לירייס את עצמו כאילו הוא יצא ממצרים בכל דווי ודווי חייב אדם לירייס לירייס את עצמו כאילו הוא יצא ממצרים בכל דווי ודווי חייב אדם לירייס לירייס את עצמו כי אלוהו יצא ממצרים בכל ודאי חייב אדם לירייס לירייס את עצמו כאלוהו יצא ממצרים בכל די ודי חייב אדם לירייס לירייס את עצמי כאילו יבוצע ממצרים בכל דאר ודאר חייב אדם ליראה אסau עצמי כאילו יבוצע ממצרים בכל דבר ודבר חייב אדם ליראה אס עצמו כאילו יבוצע ממצרים בכל דבר בכל דבר חייב אדם ליראה אדם ליראה עצמו כאילו יבוצע ממצרים בכל דבר ודבר חייב אדם ליראה אסau עצמו כאילו יבוצע ממצרים בכל דבר ודבר חייב אדם ליראה אס עצמו כאילו יצא היה There. I mean, obviously, I went a little too screechy at the end, but that's the point. So it's like a song with build up to sing it the same words over and over, to feel it going deeper and deeper in us, the Exodus and re-experiencing the leaving of Egypt,